In this video, we are finding the inverse of a matrix minus 2, 3, 1, 4 using elementary row column transformations. The given matrix is called A, and A is equal to minus 2, 3, 1, 4. തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന മാട്രിക്സിനെ നമ്മൾ A എന്ന് വിളിക്കുക. Then we use this method. I into A, an identity matrix into A will be A itself. And another thing we have to remember is an identity matrix is always equal to A inverse into A. If we get some I is equal to B into A, that means this B will be equal to A inverse. This is the technique we use here. See, instead of A, ഈ എക്ക് പകരം നമ്മൾ -2, 3, 1, 4 എന്ന് തന്നെ എഴുതുന്നു. റൈറ്റ് ഹാൻഡ് സൈഡിൽ നമ്മൾ ഐക്ക് പകരം 1, 0, 0, 1 is the square matrix, identity matrix, and this will be A. This A we do not write like this. This A remains A itself. Let it be there. Now we are going to use some row transformations. For this particular problem, we use only row transformations. For this, what is our idea? This left hand side should be made to identity matrix. This must be converted into an identity matrix. How do we do that? For that, first element of this matrix should be 1. For making this -2 to 1, converting this -2 to 1 is very easy when we look at R2. R2 and R1 just we interchange. That is allowed. No, this is an elementary operation allowed for matrix. R1 or R2 interchange. Left side when we interchange, right side also we should do the same thing. അപ്പം ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് ചെയ്യണം അത് തന്നെ ഇവിടെയും ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ R1 R2 ഇന്റർചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് റോ വിൽ ബി R1, സെക്കൻഡ് റോ വിൽ ബി -2, 3, and this will be equal to right side 0, 1, 1, 0 into A. Okay. Next, we want to make this element 0. For that, okay, what we should do. Suppose we write R2 as the sum of the original R2 existing R2 plus 2 times of R1. Suppose new second row is equal to existing second row plus 2 times R1. നിലവിലുള്ള R2ന്റെ കൂടെ R1ന്റെ 2 times add ചെയ്യാൻ പോകും. അപ്പം R1 we do not do anything. R1 remains there. -2, instead of -2 we get 0. Why? 2 times of 1 is added with -2. രണ്ടും -2 കൂടെ കൂട്ടിയ 0 ആവും. 2 times of 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay. The same operation should be done this side also. First row 0, 1. Second row, we are getting second row by adding with the 2 times of first row. Here 1 only. Here it becomes 2 into A. Okay. Next step, if you want to make this 11. Instead of 11, we want in this place we want 1. For that, just R2 is equal to 1 by 11 of R1, R2. Just divide by 11. Then what we get, this operation gives first row remains same 1 4. Here 0 by 11 is 0, 11 by 11 is 1. This side okay. Now this side 0 1 first row okay. 1 by 11 and 2 by 11 okay into A. Next step is to make this 4 a 0. See, first row is replaced with the first row minus 4 times second row. See what we get. First row 1 minus 4 times 0 is 1 only. 4 minus 4 times second row. That means that becomes 0. 0 first second row remains same. Right hand side, same thing has to be done here. 0 minus 4 times second row. That means 4 by minus 4 by 11. Minus 4 by 11. Here 1 minus 4 times of this. That means 1 minus 8 by 11. Here this is 1 by 11. This is 2 by 11. Okay. Into A. Now this is again 1 0 0 1. This is equal to minus 4 by 11. What is 1 minus 8 by 11? This is 3 by 11. This is 1 by 11. This is 2 by 11 into A. Now we get what we get. What is this? A into this quantity is equal to this identity matrix. Therefore, 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 this one will be our A inverse. A inverse equal to minus 4 by 11, 3 by 11, 1 by 11, 2 by 11.